Now we're going to take a look at how to use Google Maps to navigate through Japan. First thing you do is enter your destination. And then once that's entered, choose your starting location. Sometimes you want to navigate it from a specific location instead of your current one, so that way you can kind of get an idea of how long it's going to take and what your options are. Here you're going to see there's drive time and there's public transportation. For this video we're going to look at public. You can see here it gives you the different lines that you can choose depending on the time you want to start. So I selected the first one, and then it tells you what platform depending on what station you're starting from. Since we're going to start with Keikyu, since we are close to the hotel, we're going to select that line, and then it's going to tell you platform number 2, how many per train, and then also the different station that it's. If you need to switch, it'll tell you. The colors will change and also tell you to remain on board. Pay attention, because we made that mistake of not getting off and switching to a different train, and we ended up going back. This is a great way to navigate the city and use public transportation. It saves you money and also feel like a local.